Welcome to this tutorial. Today, we're going to talk about the modal verbs will and would. Let's get started. Remember that we use modal verbs to show if we believe something is certain, probable, or possible, or not. Now, we also use modals to ask permission, make requests and offers, etc. Remember, the modal verbs fall into the category of auxiliary verbs, which are also known as helping verbs. Now, it means that they are used together with the main verb to give grammatical information and additional meaning to a sentence. Now, we can use the modal verb will, A, to express rapid decision, as in the example below. Which one? I will have the tuna sandwich. B, to express thoughts or beliefs about the future. For example, I think they will remain friends forever. C, to make an offer, a promise, or a threat. For example, I will not disappoint you. D, to talk about predictable behavior. For example, he will eat chocolate when he feels anxious. Remember that we use won't when someone refuses to do something. Have a look at the example below. I tried reassuring him, but he won't listen to me. Refuses to listen. And we can use the modal verb would, A, as a polite invitation or to offer. For example, would you like to spend this evening together with me? B, to describe a prediction. For example, it would be nice to be a little bit funnier. C, not to sound impolite when disagreeing with someone. For example, I wouldn't put it like that. D, to describe past habits. For example, she would fall asleep when she was on a train. Remember that we use wouldn't when someone refuses to do something. For example, James said that he wouldn't help us at all. Refused to help. And now, let's review and practice a bit. Remember that we use will to express thoughts or beliefs about the future and to make an offer, a promise, or a threat. And we use would as a polite invitation or offer. Now read the following sentences and fill in the blanks using the appropriate modal verb. I guess we live on Mars someday. I guess we will live on Mars someday. If you don't stop playing around, I be very angry. I will be very angry. You like some coffee? Would you like some coffee? Also remember that we use would not to sound impolite when we disagree with someone and when we want to describe past habits. Now read the following sentences and fill in the blanks using the appropriate modal verb. I like to point out that you need to make a few changes there. I would like to point out that you need to make a few changes there. She called me at night whenever she had a fight with her boyfriend. She would call me at night whenever she had a fight with her boyfriend. Here is a short story using the modal verbs will and would. Listen as I read so you can see how they are used in real-life conversation. After I'm done, make sure you understand all the grammar and read aloud yourself so that you can work on your own fluency and pronunciation. Would you like to go to the movies tonight? I certainly would. I think you'll like this one. You like comedies, right? That's right. When I was a kid, I would watch comedies from the 90s. It would be cool to see some older movies on a big screen. Yeah, that would be cool. Shall we go now, though? I'll make a quick call and we can go then, okay? Yes, sure. Take your time. And now, time for you to practice on your own. Read the following sentences and fill in the gaps with will or would. A. I call you later. Sorry. B. Chris hang up whenever I brought up that issue. C. If I had a chance, I become an astronaut. D. We be very grateful if you had sent these prints immediately. And now, match the following sentences. A. I don't mind if you stay. B. Will you say something? C. Will he ever grow up? 1. You can't ignore my questions. 2. It would be amazing actually. 3. He is so immature. Answer the following questions. A. What will you do tomorrow? B. Do you think that you will win the lottery one day? C. What would you do if you were a mayor of your city? And now, let's check your answers. I will call you later. Sorry. Chris would hang up whenever I brought up that issue. If I had a chance, I would become an astronaut. We would be very grateful if you could send these prints immediately. I don't mind if you stay. It would be amazing, actually. Will you say anything? You can't ignore my questions. Will he grow up? He is so immature. Sample answers. I will stay at home and relax. No, I don't think that I'll win the lottery one day. If I were a mayor of my city, I would improve the ecological situation. Thank you for watching this tutorial.